Mechanism of Evolution, Class 12. In today's class, we are going to study about variation that occurs in a population due to single step mutation. Earlier, the scientists were of the opinion that variation in a population occurs because of reproductive isolation or because of a gradual period of time. Hardy-Weinberg's principle. This Hardy-Weinberg's principle was given by two scientists named Hardy and Weinberg, which states that the allele frequency in a population is stable, and any change in this equilibrium will result into evolution in a group of organisms. According to this scientist, the gene pool, that is the total gene of a particular population, and their allele remains always constant. Any change in this frequency which deviates this equilibrium results into evolution of an organism. The deviation from the equilibrium results into change in the organism, bringing about formation of a new species. This following diagram represents the natural selection because of three possible reasons. The first graph indicates a stabilizing population in which the mean population exists better in the changing environment. This is the case with sickle cell anemia. The people having heterozygous condition for sickle cell anemia survives better than that of the homozygous population of sickle cell. The second graph represents the directional natural selection, which could be the example of Biston betullaria. Prior to industrialization in England, the population of white moth were more, but after the situation changed, soot deposited on the lichens growing on the bark of the tree, the population of the dark moth increased compared to the white moth. So this is an example of directional natural selection. The third graph indicates a disruptive natural selection, which could be the example of three types or species of crabs found in the ocean beds. One is dark in color, one is white in color, and the third population is brown in color. The one which is white in color can easily hide itself in barnacles. The one which is darker, it can hide or camouflage itself in the rocks of the seabed, while the intermediate one, which was brown in color, could be easily recognized by the predator animals and was wiped off. So the equilibrium was disturbed for the intermediate population. So that resulted into formation of two peaks, that is a disruptive type of natural selection. The change in the genetic equilibrium of Hardy-Weinberg's principle occurs because of various factors. Now, these factors were discussed by Hardy-Weinberg and later by the other scientists, that the possible reasons for the change or variation in a population can be genetic drift, it can be gene flow, it can be a recombination, it can be mutation, and finally it can be natural selection. Genetic flow means when a population, in an existing population, some species leave that population or new species are added to the population. That results into gene migration or gene flow. When this change takes place suddenly because of some epidemics or some other reason, then that is called as your genetic drift. And mutation happens because of sudden change in the genetic sequence. That also results into the change in the existing population. Besides this, there are certain reasons like recombination, which we have read in our class 11, that when the gamete formation takes place, when crossing over takes place, that results into recombination, result into formation of new character or change in the genetic equilibrium, that will result into formation of a new organism or new species. And finally, the existing species, if are naturally selected and well adapted, that will result into variation or change in the existing population. So these were 5 possible reasons which can make the equilibrium unstable for an existing population. So this is all about today's class. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.